Hello, I'm 2000 Hen Hen, and I'm going to show you my cats. They're two cats. Oh, first up is Cuddles. She's the mother cat. Cuddles, Cuddles. And here is her son. It's kind of big. That's Cuddles' face. He's licking himself. Let's get a close up. The wild species. Just kidding. She had him and a lot of other cats. Okay, here's the big view. I think he is taller than his mother. Well, okay, we're gonna do a contest. Is Teddy, this cat is Teddy, and this cat is Cuddles. Is Teddy taller than Cuddles? Whoever wins, if I haven't subscribed them, I will subscribe them and add them as a friend. And if I knew how to sponsor, I would sponsor them. Just a close look. Teddy, don't eat my feet. Ow, Teddy. Okay, Teddy, he's a toe nipper. He's a toe nipper. Whoa, what was that? Oh, stuff. Teddy the toe nipper, or Cuddles the good one. So, you choose. And these are my cats. So, goodbye.